Oh hello, it's Roy Breton here from the United Kingdom. I just want to give you a review of the Wealthy Affiliate platform. The Wealthy Affiliate platform is a website that shows you how to make money online. But first of all, I'd like to tell you why I'm a member of this site. I've been a member of the site for about 3.5 years now, but I started working online in 2007, but started researching making money online back in 2004 as I saw the power of the internet, and I really saw huge potential in there. The problem I was buying scam products that really cost me a lot of money, and I was making such slow progress. Anyway, to cut a long story short, I put my website up in 2007 and started making money. I think the first day I put my website up, I made a sale, which was good, and that website was pretty successful. We used to get a lot of page views, etc. But my biggest problem was that I was working blind. So I'd just like to take you through the Wealthy Affiliate platform and the importance of getting the correct training. This is my sort of home page, if you like. You have your own sort of page where you can put up a little bit about yourself. It's got new to the community and the people I follow, my network, my posts, my training, and some of my links to various websites, etc. The platform enables you to write blog posts. Like here you can see I've put up quite a few blog posts, 67 in fact. You can ask a question. I've written and asked many questions, 135 questions in fact, and you can also write your training. So if you've got something you learnt, you can share it with others and help other people, which I always think that if you can help others, it has to be a good thing. I'm currently ranking number 18. Apparently there's about over 1 million people on Wealthy Affiliate. I guess that they are not all active, but the fact I'm an 18 an ambassador suggests I may be doing something right. One of the best things about Wealthy Affiliate is the training they offer. If we go to the training page, there's all sorts of different courses. So you can see my training activity. I'm here. I haven't actually gone through all the courses because I was sort of making money online before I came here. But if we go to the training headquarters, you can see all the different. Go to this one. View the training. It's got all the courses in this particular, in the sort of view lesson 1, and there's parts so it's all broken down. So getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, it takes you right through from the very beginning. And if you do this training, you will be successful, but you have to take one step at a time, take action, ask questions along the way, and it will work. This isn't a get-rich scheme, it's a make money gradually, and it will take work, but I've used this site for a long time. It works, the training is fantastic, and I strongly recommend it. What else do we have? We have websites. So this is like your site manager. We get free hosting here. In fact, my hosting costs me more than what I pay for Wealthy Affiliate. And site builders, you can build websites. You can purchase domains. I don't actually purchase domains from here, but you can do. You can write site content, site comments, site feedback, and support. We also have live events, which are all recorded. Because I'm in the United Kingdom, I've never actually listened to a live event, but I try and listen to most of the recordings, just to give you an idea what's available. There's advertising on YouTube, streaming on YouTube, producing your first YouTube video, repurposing content for additional traffic, ranking YouTube videos, try and take some more random ones, email marketing 2018, opt-in strategies. So all sorts of different lessons they go through. So there is something for everyone. Like I say, I try and listen to most of them on the recording. They're all here. So it's an excellent place to learn about new strategies, etc., and ask questions even after the event's finished. There's also a keyword tool, free keyword tool, that helps you out with finding the right keywords for your website. We've got the live chat area. I must admit I don't use the live chat very much. I find it a bit slow. You have to sort of hang around there, whereas I tend to ask a question in the questions area. And then you've got the help centre. So ask a question, support, live chat, private message, etc. Just shows the premium coaches and the top helpers today. So if you're looking to start having a new business or want to learn how to make money online, there are many successful people here. If we go to the rankings here, you can see that there's, when it loads, you can see that there's many successful people. Carl and Carson are the owners. Mega Studios is the man who does the videos, video training, and many more who highly successful people. I'm down here at number 18. But you can see there's lots and lots of people. I don't even know how far it goes back to, but probably keeps going. 200 by the look of it. Anyway, if this interests you, take a look at the link below and have a look at my profile here. Go to the profile, Roy Breton, you'll find me, and feel free to file me over a question and leave me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.